What does he want? Mobility and balance. Now we get more specific. He's 70. And let's be honest, that's a huge thing we have to work on when we start talking about older individuals. Balance. Stabilization. But we can't talk about stabilization unless we clear his mobility restrictions. If you've got a locked up T-spine, you're going to sacrifice that stability in your shoulder to move. You've got locked up hips. This individual has a locked up thoracic spine, has locked up hips. So where is he moving? He's having to sacrifice stabilization in his shoulder and scapula and in his low back or knees to offset the lack of mobility in his hips and his T-spine. So he's creating problems every day, and we all do that. We know he's doing that. So we got to improve his mobility. That's where we learn our movement patterns. Gray talked about the baby. The baby has tremendous mobility. What do they learn to do? They learn to stabilize. That's what our brain knows. So if we're going to get a 70-year-old to start moving better, we've got to make sure he has mobility first, because that's going to open up and improve his proprioceptive awareness to allow better motor control. And that's how we learn to move. We've got to train him to learn to move just like we got to train a baby. When we don't train them, do we? We automatically do it. What we do with the 70-year-old is put them in a position where they have to go up against their weakness, and it happens automatically.